Hey, this is Jason at Powerline Sentry. Today we're going to talk about the training for installation and removal of our universal cutout cover. This is part number CTD02. So the most important thing, this is going to arrive, is this one-piece plastic unit. And it's going to have these two locking clips that are going to be zip tied to this hot stick grab point. These clips are critical. There will also be either a tag or a QR code on a sticker somewhere on this cutout cover that will have these installation instructions that you're getting ready to see available for your crew when they're out in the field. These clips are the locking mechanism. You should not install this cover without first having these clips on board. They're simple. They snap on the side like that. You'll see them in the installation videos as well, but it's important and critical to never install without these clips in place. It is what holds the unit on the cutout. We're getting ready to watch now how to install it, both with glove, with hot stick, and in the case if you're using a load buster, how to release the load buster while the cover is on. When we look at the clips in a glove situation, you're just going to open up the mouth of the clip slightly, make sure that the grab points or the hot stick circles are pointed outward, and they slide and snap down in place. They should be pushed all the way to the top. They're sliding on this little ladder area here, and this is an adjustment area. If by chance you put on your cover and it is slightly loose, maybe you have an odd cutout in the system, you can adjust these clips, moving them up or down by an inch to get a tighter fitment. But this is how the clip should be installed. When we're installing the cover manually, this just slips onto the cutout. There's a split back that the conductor goes through, and it pulls onto the cutout, and it's perfectly installed now. It's rated at over 150 mile per hour wind retention, so it's not going to come off of this cutout unless you actually remove the locking clips. Removing them is by pulling them out and down. They slip off, it releases the lock, and then you can slip the cutout cover off. If you're using a hot stick tool, there's multiple hot stick points here. You're going to grab the cover, slide it over the conductor, pull it down on the cutout. The clips are going to be over the metal, and it snaps in place. This is locked, perfectly locked in place. There's multiple cutout grips that you can adjust things with if need be. If you happen to have a load buster and you're trying to release it, you're able to push your tool up into the cover. It's okay that you're pushing up against this. It's a nice guide. Lock on your arcing horn, grab your load buster and release it, and then spin to release off of the arcing horn. You're not going to damage the cover by pushing up against that.